In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name for existing comments and markups in Adobe Acrobat DC. Whether you're working on a collaborative document or simply want to update your display name on comments, this process is straightforward and can be done in a few easy steps. First, open the PDF file where you want to make these changes. Launch Adobe Acrobat DC and navigate to the specific PDF document. This is your starting point, and getting familiar with the interface can help ease the process. Once your document is open, head to the top right corner of the interface where you'll see a button labeled Comments. Click on this button to open the comment pane, which will display all the existing comments and markups in the document. Now within this comment pane, locate the comment you'd like to update. Right click on the comment and from the drop down menu select Properties. This action opens a dialog box giving you access to various properties of the comment. Here you'll want to click on the General tab. This tab houses the basic information about the comment, including the author name. Next, in the author text box, enter your new name. This is how your name will appear for this specific comment. After you've typed in your new name, click OK. This will save the changes for that individual comment. Already you're making great progress. For those of you needing to update multiple comments at once, let's streamline that process. Start by clicking on the first comment in the list to select it, then scroll to the very end of the list. With the Shift key pressed, click on the last comment. This action selects all the comments between your first and last selection. With all these comments highlighted, right click anywhere within this selected group and choose Properties from the drop down menu that appears, just like you did for a single comment earlier. Once again, navigate to the General tab in the Comment Properties dialog box. Finally, update the author text box with your new name and press OK. This change now applies universally to all the comments you previously selected. You've effectively updated your name for each of these remarks in one go. By following these steps, you've learned how to update your display name on both individual and multiple comments in Adobe Acrobat DC, giving you control over your document interactions and ensuring your comments reflect the correct identity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.